Look at these leopards. They are sleeping. And look at that leopard. Is it sleeping? No, it's walking. The leopard is walking. Look at that bird. Is it sleeping? No, it isn't. Look at these wolves. Are they sleeping? Yes, they are. They are sleeping. How many wolves do we have? We have 3 wolves. And they are sleeping. Look at these goats. Are the goats sleeping? No, they aren't. The goats are walking. Look at that bird. What is it? It's an eagle. Look, is it flying? No, it isn't flying now. Where can we see eagles? We can see eagles flying in the sky. Look at that bird. What is it? It's an owl. An owl. Is it flying? No. Is it looking for food? No, it isn't. Look at these birds. We can see birds flying in the sky. Are they flying now? No, they aren't. At this kind of bird. Is it flying? No, it isn't flying now. Look, it's walking. Look at these kinds of birds. Are they flying now? No, they aren't. They are walking. Eagle here. Is it flying? No, it's on the tree. The eagle is on the tree.